Hello everyone and welcome back. So today what I have is another model by BIANTE, this being 2016 VF Holden Commodore V8 Supercar. This livery just been the season fan car, so this livery wasn't used on the full scale car. I normally don't purchase the V8 Supercar models, but this one was pretty cheap. And, don't mind this sort of, fan-based livery. Let's have a quick look at the packaging there. This is only, $15? I think most of them are anyway, this price, but like I said, I don't mind this sort of fan-based livery. Something a little bit different. I guess a collector's piece, if you want to say. Right, let's open it up. Let's see what it's like. Get that out of the way. So pretty basic livery, colour scheme really. There's a lot of detail going on, but it's still quite nice. Yeah, plastic base, screwed together as well, so that's alright. The wheels look pretty poor. The tyres anyway. Hard plastic. So they could have done a better job with these wheels instead of having them just like that. Yeah, they're worse than Matchbox and Hot Wheels. Base, pretty basic. This is where it's made, name, that's it. Exhaust detail there, engine gearbox, chassis. Wheels themselves are not too bad. The tyre print in there. The tempo print looks pretty good. Quite hard to see inside, but a little bit of detail there. Dash, roll cage. Front, you just got your painted headlights. No Holden emblem there. Going to the back, that's pretty basic as well. Got your painted tail lights. Yeah, pretty basic little model. It's still okay though. No suspension. Wiper blade there. It's moulded into plastic plus it's painted as well. I mean, the packaging, let's have a quick look again. Is anything about Holden on there at all? No. Nothing about Holden or Commodore on the packaging or on the car, but it is a Holden Commodore V8 Supercar. No, I don't mind either, the Holden or the Falcon. Some people, only have one side that big. But I don't mind either. Right, let's get on the turntable. Yeah, these are starting to become a little bit harder to find It's a BIANTE. No longer been around, so I guess ones that do turn up, prices will start to go up. You still find a few cheap ones around on eBay. Just depends what type you're after. I said this one was only $15, free postage, so that was okay. Alright guys, well that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.